Good morning, welcome back to Sharjans. Now we'll see about Nifty support and resistance for the day, Sensex support and resistance for the day, few weekly calls to trade. First, Nifty will be having a support at 5,320, 5,300, 5,275, 5260, 5240, 5,200. It will be having a resistance at 5,375, 5,395, 5,420, 5440 and 5460. Sensex will be having a support at 18,166, 18,126, 18,050 and 18,000. It will be having a resistance at 18,335, 18,430 and 18,400. Now we will see about weekly calls. You can sell HBFC with a stop loss of 745 rupees for a target of 630 rupees. Stop loss is 745 and target is 630. The stop closed at 702 rupees. Next call is you can sell IndusInd Bank with a stop loss of 370 rupees for a target of 315 rupees. Stop loss is 370 and target is 315 rupees. Next call is you can sell ICICI Bank with a stop loss of 815 rupees for a target of 730 rupees. Target is 730, stop loss is 815 and the stop closed near 783. Now buy calls. You can buy Tech Mahindra for a target of 1500 with a stop loss of 1350. The stop closed at 1400 rupees. Next call, you can buy a Lupin with a stop loss of 800 rupees for a target of 900 rupees. The stop closed at 840 rupees. Last call for the day, you can buy Coal India with a stop loss of 245 rupees for a target of 300 rupees. The stock closed at 261 rupees. All these calls are weekly calls. If you are using this for intraday purposes, your stop loss can't exceed more than 0.5 to 1% from your buying and shorting price. Today's important support level in Nifty is 5,300, 5,260 and 5,200. The main resistance is at 5380, then 5400. We have to see rupee also, how it opens today. We are already into a complete downtrend, so whenever it goes up, it's better to short until we cross above 5600 or 5700. There will be no meaningful rally. Bounce back will come in the market. We have seen bounce back of 200, 300 points in Nifty and 1000 points in Sensex. Same way we are falling also. So caution is the word we have to use it here. Be cautious. If you are a long-term buyer also, start to accumulate very slowly, because every day you are getting big discounts in NSE scripts itself. A group scripts itself, you are getting a discount of 6 to 7% every day. So do cautiously trading rather than in a hurry. For more, visit our website www.sharjans.com, or you can post your queries in YouTube itself.